Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make this really cool luggage tag. It's super simple to make. Let's get started. So here's one I made earlier on TinkerCad. I tried to make it as funny as I could, just so that it could stand out on the luggage bag. So I'm just going to move this one out of the way and we are going to recreate this one together. So what we'll do first, we just grab the box, drag it in, and we'll just change the measurements. So we'll go 85 by 50. Beautiful. And we will change the height. Go 4 millimeters. Perfect. So that is our base. And now what we want to do is cut out the hole. So we grab another box and we change that up again. So let's make this, let's go 19 by 5. Perfect. And then what we need to do, I just want to place it in the middle. So somewhere around there, and I'll push it down so the entire hole can go through. And I want to align it just to make sure that it's in the middle. So what we do is we highlight, we tap on the align tool, and we place that in the middle. Yep. That looks good to me. And then what we want to do there is now group it. So we highlight and we group. Perfect. That is looking good so far. Now the text. Now TinkerCad's text, there's not many options. So what I like to do, I go to the text option here and we type it in and you'll see a blue one, this one here. Now, if you've watched a few of my previous videos, you'll see I've made one how to get, I guess, different fonts. I'm going to show you this again in here. So I like to use a website called 1001 Fonts, free fonts. And the one I'm going to use for this one today is Beach Bubble. So what we do is we download it. And then what we need to do, it is in a file called TTF. So we need to convert the TTF into an SVG. I like to use this website called Convertio. What we do, we choose the file, we upload the text that you've just downloaded, and we want to convert it to a file called SVG. We press convert, and it will download for us. Perfect, and we download that one. Excellent. So now we go back into TinkerCad. We just downloaded, we want to go, that's the one we want to use. We go upload file and we want to go to downloads, Beach Bubble SVG, that's the one. And then we upload and the text should change. There we are. And now what we want to do is write in our text. So you can make it whatever you like. I'm just going to do the same. So I'm going to start off with not worth, and that will change in a moment, and it should make it all capitals. Yep, perfect. And then hold down shift just to keep the style, because if you do it without holding down shift it will change the look of it. So command Z just to fix that. So I'm going to do this and pop it down. Here we are. Just going to press D to bring that back down. And we need to raise this one. So to raise it, what we do, we just use that triangle, push it up. And I think I'll need to make it just a little bit smaller. There we go. Oops. Sometimes it's a bit tricky to move it around. There we go. And I'm just going to get to the next one. So I might just copy paste this one, just so I can keep the same size. And we'll just write stealing. And that will change in a moment. Perfect. And I'm going to make that a little bit bigger. I might just have to zoom in. Here we go. Oops. And then I can change this, there we are, that looks good. And then what I can do here is align it, make sure that it's in the middle. So we'll go align and make sure that's centered. Perfect, that looks good. So now we need to get the sock. Now the website I like to use for this is called SVG Pro. And there's a sock that I found earlier. So we go download SVG vector. Just needs to verify. Perfect, it's downloaded. What we do now, we go back here and then we go import, choose a file. Here it is. And then we go open, import. Perfect, now it's come up massive. So again, hold down shift. Let's make it smaller. And let's move it, go a bit more smaller. Perfect. And we need to raise it up. So we use that triangle. So it is still a bit too big. Here we are. And I like to angle it just a little bit more, so I might just tilt it that way. Perfect. All right, and I might just align that one into the middle as well. Perfect. There we are, and we can change the colors now. So make that black. I'll leave the writing blue, and the sock I will change to white. Perfect. And then you can grip it together. And there you go. And then if you want to keep the colors, what you do here, you just press solid, and then you go to multicolor, turn it on. And there you go. And there is your very own luggage tag. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you.